Hello everyone. Today the company we're going to talk about is going to be Goldstar Power Limited. Now, they were incorporated in the year 1999, and they manufacture batteries and battery products. Now let's just have a look at the kind of battery products they deal with. This is the main page of Goldstar Power. They deal with automotive batteries, VRLA batteries, VRLA over here. This is the automotive battery over here for cars, tractors, and for trucks. They also deal with tubular batteries, and finally they also deal with e-rickshaw batteries. So these are the kind of batteries that they manufacture. So this is a battery manufacturing company. Now let's just have a look at the fundamentals of the company. Number one, the market cap it's small. It's a penny stock, 337 crores. Stock PE is on the higher side. It's 81.2. ROCE 17.3. Book value of 1 rupee 10. ROE at 16.9. Face value at rupees 1. Dividend yield, no dividend. The high was 23.4 and the low was 4 rupees. Current price is rupees 14. So what do we understand through this? Let's just have a look at the company's history in the stock market. This is really important. They entered in the year 2017 at just 1 rupee 16 paise, and as you can see, it remained like that, stagnant. It never crossed rupees 2, and this was still 2022 September, and it's from here there was a climb that started, right? 2 rupees, then it went all the way up to 10 rupees in Feb of 2023, and then there was a consolidation. It came down to rupees 5 in April of 23, then slight up again, 7 rupees in May of 2023, then again a consolidation, July of 2023, and from here the major climb, 4 rupees to its all-time high of 23 rupees in October of 2023, and then it came down again, consolidated 12 rupees in November of 2023, then again it went up to 17 rupees in November 23, and it's going up and down. Support level is somewhere around that 15-16 rupee mark, and again now it's again come down to rupees 14 in April of 2024. So what do we understand through this? The stock was in its growth stage, and then now there's a slight consolidation that's taking place. Now let's just have a look at the financials. Financials are really important when buying a stock. Now let's have a look at the profit and loss. March of 2012, just 2 lakhs. 13, 72 lakhs. 14, 30 lakhs. 15, minus 66. 16, minus 39. 17.59 lakhs, 59 lakhs. 18, 29 lakhs. March of 2019, 1 crore 1 lakh. March of 2023, 37 lakhs. 2021, it was 8 lakhs. And 2022, it was 71 lakhs. And March of 2023, the maximum as of now, 3 crore 73 lakhs, which explains why the price of the stock went up, right? And this year, it's supposed to be pretty good. Financials haven't come out yet, but I think it's going to be more than 3.73 lakhs this year. So let's just have a look at the shareholder pattern, which is again important. See, this is very good. Promoter holding is very strong at 72.9%. September of 2019, and it's been strong all the way till September of 2023. That's 4 years, still the same. That means promoters are not losing any kind of faith in the stock. They know the potential of this stock, right? And the public have about 27% of stakes. Only 146 shareholders in September of 2019. That increased to 1,001, not a big number, but 1,126 in September of 2023. Now, there are a lot of people out there who definitely want to buy some battery manufacturing stocks, right, at this time. And is this a good company to invest in right now? To be very honest, this is a company that can be invested in the long run. It's not something that can be looked in the short run. Now, assuming that the quarter results are really, really good, and they make more than 4 crores of net profit, there's a high possibility that this rupees 14 that it is right now will definitely climb by many fold. It's definitely going to go above its high of 23 rupees. So this is a stock that has definite potential, and it can, at a point of time, if they keep making profits, have a well over 100 rupees in a short period of time. I mean the price of the share. So this is again a stock. This is not again a buy or sell recommendation. You can definitely do your own research and take the call on that. But again, for people who are looking to buy a modest number of shares in this company, maximum I would tell you to invest is say around 25 to 30,000 rupees in this company for now. So that would right now net you around anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 shares, and hold and keep it for some period of time, right? This is again a company you got to give time. Penny stocks are not stocks through which people make money immediately. That's the first and foremost thing that you need to be keeping in your mind, right? It's not, these aren't companies that you make money immediately. But there's one thing, because of the price of the stock, you can, and if you don't have much capacity, you can buy good quantity of the stock, right? At the end of the day, for example, as I'd already mentioned in one of my previous videos, if you have to buy an expensive stock of a company that is highly valued, for example, 100 rupees stock, if you have to buy 1,000 shares, it's going to cost you 1 lakh rupees. Over here, 1,000 shares will cost you, as of now, 14,000 rupees. 2,000 will cost you around 28,000 rupees, right? So you need to look at it from that perspective. But one more thing, penny stocks are not going to move like those stocks necessarily, right? It again depends on the profit they make, and also a lot of other factors, right, related to it. And these are stocks you need to give a little bit of time, right? So this is a company I would strongly recommend to buy a few thousand shares and hold and keep it for the long run. And I'm pretty sure y'all can make a really good profit out of this, right? So that's it for me today, guys. If you like the video, I'd appreciate it if you all can give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel to get the notifications of the latest and greatest videos I put up. So that's it for today, guys. You take care and have a great day ahead.